Good morning, students. Today our class is English, and today we will study glossary from unit number 6. This is Jody's Faun. You have to know the meaning of the some words and phrase and idioms. So I will just give you some ideas about the meaning, which is very hard, not so hard, but hard. Let's start. Fawn means a young deer. Pupil means black circular opening in the center of iris of the eye. Pupil. And pupil here means, but pupil, Pupil, pupil means is a student. Then recollect means remember. Acrons, small brown nuts. Dilated means enlarged. Ungrateful, thankless, unappreciative. Mounted means road. Abandoned means left or give up. Scrub means undergrowth. Buzzard means a large carnivorous bird. Scrany, thin or lanky. Bough, large branch of a tree. Adjacent, nearby. Carrion means a dead body. Carrion, Carrion. Parted means moved or pushed aside. Clacked, made of light, sharp noise. Startled means surprised. Quivering, shaking slightly. Quivering. Then convulsion, shiver, sleek, smooth and shiny. Limply means weakly or unsteadily. Delirious, extremely excited, extremely excited. Then bleat, cry of a goat or sheep. Host, raise. Streaked, went around. Thicket, a dense growth of showers or underbrush. Prinkling, a small hard pointed outgrowth of the plant. Vine, weak streamed plant that derives its support from climbing. Intersection, junction or crossword. Dangling means hanging. Wobbling, unsteady. Fondly, touch gently, pat or carcass. Romp, play. Alarm, frightened. Fumble, felt around. Latch, a bar with catch, the lever used as a fastening for a door or gate. Clearing, glade, a piece of land. Bulked, disobeyed or unwillingly to do. Screamed, removed floating matter from liquid. Here is this in this story it is milk. Then frantically, furiously, butted, knocked or poked. Snored, made a rough noise sound by breathing forcefully through the nostril. escasty, delight, bliss, delight or bliss, flicked, jerked, shrill, spin or twist, gargling means bubbling, gourd, bottle made from the dried shell or bottle gourd, precariously, insecurely, or dangerously. So these are the meaning of the words meaning. And now I am explaining phrases and idioms that are in your textbook, in the story of the textbook. Drift back to means go back to, a close shave, a narrow escape, keeps one head, calm in a different situation, hammered in, caught in a situation where one cannot say no, slided back, walked back quietly, trying not to be noticed. Two meanings are there. Every which way in different direction, makes a bearing, here acts as a compass and helps to identify directions. A china deer, a clay deer that is easily broken, gets one's breath, rest until breathing is normal, light-headed, unable to think clearly because of joy or excitement, thrust into, push into, back and forth in one direction and then in the other repeatedly. So these are the glossary phrases and idioms. I hope you will read or listen and read it from your textbook, underlined it, and I will give you the additional exercise vocabularies, okay, that you will complete and send me. Thank you very much. See you in next class.